If you want to run Android apps on laptop, or if you want to play Android game on your laptop such as Fortnite, PUBG, Among Us, etc., etc. To do that, first of all, you have to download a Android emulator, and the BlueStack Android emulator is a very popular emulator, so you can install this. Open your browser and open the bluestacks.com website, and from here download the BlueStacks and download and install it. Then all you have to need, just launch the BlueStacks emulator on your computer. Then you will get this interface. Now click on this search box at the top, and now you can search for the app you want to use on your computer. And now you can easily download the Android app here. Just click on the app and click on install in app player. Once the app installed, the app will be stored in app player, and by clicking on app player you will be able to run the Android app on your computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.